How to add money to Starbucks app. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Starbucks application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Once signed in order to add money on Starbucks app, on the bottom right of your screen you will see the scan and pay option. Tap on that. You will then receive a pop-up where you will see the option for reloading your wallet. Simply choose a payment method or add a credit card. You can fill out all your credit card information or you can use an e-wallet too. In this case, we will try on e-wallet. Simply input the amount and then you can choose the type of wallet from the provided options. Once done, tap on next and you will now have money, or you will be able to cash in money into your Starbucks application. So this is how you can add money to Starbucks app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.